Find the following indefinite integrals. So we've got the first one here, the integral of x squared minus 2 times x plus 3 dx. So when you've got an integral like this, you need to expand the brackets first. So multiply out the bracket. So we got x squared times x plus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3. Notice we've kept the integral sign in because we haven't actually integrated yet. And a part of integration is actually preparing the integral before doing the actual process itself. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 3 is 3x squared minus 2x. And then don't forget to change the sign to make it minus 6 dx. So integrating now using the power rule becomes x to the 4 over 4 plus 3x cubed over 3, which just becomes x cubed, minus 2x squared over 2, which will become minus x squared. And then when you integrate a number, you just get, just to put an x in, so we get minus 6x plus c, and that's the final answer. In the second case, we've got to rewrite x cubed minus x to the 4th root of x over x as the integral of x cubed minus x. And now 4th root of x is x to the quarter, and then we put the x here as x to the minus 1, and then we now multiply. So that gives me x minus 1 times x cubed, which is x squared. X to the minus 1 times x gives me x to 0, which just gives me minus 1, because x to 0 is actually 1. And then x to the quarter times x to the minus 1, well, it's a quarter minus 1, it becomes x to the minus 3 over 4 dx. Right, so writing that out again, and then we'll now integrate using the power rule. So it'll become x cubed over 3. When you integrate 1, okay, it's like thinking you're integrating x to the 0. So you add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, which is 1, which just gives you x. So when you're integrating a number, you just add in an x. So in this case, it's 1x. If it was 2, it would be 2x, etc. So minus x, and then adding 1 to minus 3/4 is x to the quarter. Dividing by a quarter is the same as multiplying by 4 plus c. Writing that out, we're going to get x cubed over 3 minus x plus 4 times the 4th root of x plus c. This could be written as 1/3 of x cubed as well. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to expand brackets first before actually doing the integration. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.